Yeah, it's Tuesday morning. We're going to, Gary's going to load robot.net with the latest dev version, which was just announced. And then I guess during the actual session, we can run it on our own machine also, which would be, yeah, right now the Rnode that's running on robot.net is not that great. We haven't been able to propose any blocks. So hopefully with this new version, we'll again be able to propose blocks.
Okay, I'll start sharing the screen now.
All right, so let's see. We want to look at the instructions for today's
Okay, let me go to yeah. So that was a worksheet for today's session, which starts in an hour and a half. Here, right?
Yeah, so we want to get the dev version, right? Where is it? Okay, so we go to the binary package, right?
Click on that.
Yeah. Okay, we want the deb, all the deb version, and let's say you're in Windows now, so you can't click on it. You can copy.
Okay.
You can copy the link. Right click. Right. No. Right click. Copy link. Address.
Right.
Okay, so now you want to go to your terminal, your SSH on robot.net. SSH or chain at robot.net. Password.
Don't talk while I'm typing it in. Okay, I got it now. Thanks.
So here we are. Do an ls, see what we got in our directory here. And we can see we got an old version of Rnode out there. We better remove that. We don't want to, otherwise when we upload the new one, the file name's already in use. No, RM. This is Linux, Ubuntu. What'd you do?
I don't know.
Remove Rnode. Where's your cursor? Rnode _ you want?
Yeah, why doesn't it volunteer that? Okay.
If you tab, it'll now it'll fill.
Okay. Is that all?
Yeah, enter. Okay, so now you want a wget. You want a webget space and then paste in the URL.
Okay.
Enter. And then I guess they're telling you now to use app. I've always used dpackage to install it, but we can use the latest instructions say use apt. So use apt, apt, space install, space / Rnode tab.
Enter.
Enter. So we were using dpackage dpkg-i install. That works for any Debian-based system. Ubuntu is Debian-based. What happened? Could not. Oh, we need a sudo. So hit an up arrow and then home. Or you can just, yeah.
Up arrow with home. Oh,
You passed it. Yeah, you can put a sudo at the beginning of that. I don't know. You hit the home key, go to the beginning.
now what?
Enter.
I'm in a meeting. Now what?
All right, so you installed the new art chain. So I guess let's stop the old one. /sto tab. We're going to stop that shell.
Stop.
Tab or .sh.
Okay. Enter.
Yeah. I think there's a bug in this routine. It says it had to kill 9. I don't know if that's true. Like when it kills it, it waits 5 seconds. You can cat.
Say
Space,
again.
cat space stop.sh. So where'd it go? Okay, so it gets the process ID from the file and it kills that process. And if and means if that succeeded, it's going to echo kill. The process doesn't exist, it shouldn't say killed. Then it should sleep 5, and then I do a kill 9. Or if it fails, looks like I made a mistake here. Okay, well, I'll fix that later. I want to use an and there. I don't want to say I had to kill 9 unless the kill 9 succeeded. Now that and the or the 2 vertical bars do it if the command fails. I want to do it if it succeeded. Okay, so we'll fix that later. Now, so it's stopped. Now we want to start with the dev bootstrap. So we do a / start.sh.
Enter.
Uh-oh. Yeah, no problem. No problem. We didn't remove the .rnode directory, but it'll get removed automatically in the start.
The dot what?
The The dot slash start includes removing the .rnode directory, which we need to remove before we can start clean.
But you said it got removed anyway.
Right. If we
How?
look at the code of the start command, we'll see it executes an RM.
Oh, I see. Okay. I didn't.
So I noticed this morning we were getting peers on dev. Interesting.
What's interesting?
Kelly was saying that something about looking for peers in the metrics port. I'm not sure if we need to know that or not.
Yeah, I'm not sure either.
So I would think this should be getting peers, but maybe we have to look at the metrics to see them.
Okay, how do I do that?
No clue.
Okay.
If you go back to Discord, see what Kelly. Go down.
Here, localhost.
Please note, we will be testing from that branch. Not testing, just update.
So what do I do with this localhost 40403 metrics? Where do I put that?
Well, I would put it in.
Is that a port?
I would get that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you can hit Control C here. It's not. It won't kill the. It doesn't. We're just doing a tail of the log file here. We're not going to kill the process if we hit Control C. Still running. We can tail it again. Okay, we did start to collect some peers here, so everything seems to be working fine.
Okay, you still want to do the wget on the metrics?
You may need an HTTP : you can try it, see if it works. It should have an HTTP on it. Oh, well, we didn't actually want to do a wget. We wanted to do a curl. We wanted to see the outputs, but we can see it. We can just do cat metrics, and we'll see what it said.
Metric, yeah.
Well,
That tell you anything? That's not. Oh, I see. I went too far. There's the top of it right there. Does that tell you anything?
nope.
Nor I. Okay, what else?
It looks like it's just statistics, statistical information, which we're not doing statistics, so we don't need to know that.
Yeah, but I guess that log file gets awfully busy during the test, and it's hard to find.
Yeah, well, if we're doing bug hunting, we might have to look there.
I see. Okay. So where do we go next? I
Okay.
wanted to look at,
Yeah, let's try. Let's try to run something.
let's try to what?
Let's. Why don't we just run, do an Rnode deploy or something? See if it works.
Okay. Rnode, wait, Rnode, what about REPL?
Well, we could do that too, but we really want to see if it does a deploy and propose.
Deploy?
Yeah. Um, yeah, you have to deploy something. One of the examples we have.
Oh,
Hello, tic
some
tac toe.
code? Okay, hold on.
Deploy's not spelled right.
Where do I get that? Okay. You're talking about one of these things, huh?
Oh, well, I would use one of the files we have on the machine.
Oh,
Uh, do tic tac toe or hello or something.
got it. Okay, so Rnode deploy tic
Tab. It's capital T. Capital T. That won't work. Oh, you got it. You can't see it.
Okay, now enter.
Yeah.
Success.
Okay. Try Rnode propose.
Same file?
No file name, just propose. All the stuff you deployed gets proposed in the block.
Gotcha.
That's what we got before. So
That's what we were expecting.
So you have to copy that into the channel and say, this is what, the deploy is not working.
You're talking about in the channel on our chain node testing?
Yeah. No, propose. Deploy work. Propose.
Enter?
Yeah. Okay, the other thing is we could be missing arguments. Go back to your terminal again and we'll do a reverse search for deploy. Hit Control R and type DEPL. Okay, hit Control R again. Again. There you go. Hit enter. Okay, it may be unslashable because we didn't give it these arguments.
Now we got a success, okay. Now you want to do a propose?
Yeah.
Wait, Rnode. Still invalid block.
Okay, well, I suggest we stop Rnode. We have to use a dot slash. Okay, should fix that. So the start command will clear the Rnode directory. So let's start it. Let's just start it up.
We got a message from Kelly that said, "Did you want to see that? Please confirm you received an approved block when you connected to the bootstrap node." Did we do that?
Yeah, grep get grep 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 get regular expression space capital A approved.
Approve?
Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Space rnode.log. Yeah, we got an approved block.
Okay, I'll put that back in the channel then, right? Why did that come up?
Yes, we received an approved block. And Victor is having trouble connecting. Well, welcome anyway. Hopefully, okay, so let's start it again. And we're basically going to start with a clean slate.
Oh yeah, what do I do? What should I do?
Just do a /start, since that will remove the Rnode directory, .rnode directory, and give us a fresh start where we didn't deploy a
contract.
A contract, right? And we could have, it could be that once we didn't give the right arguments to a deploy, it could not do any future deploy.
Okay. All right. So I'll do that now.
Because if it still has that first deploy without sufficient funds, so to speak,
Oh, I got you. Yeah.
that block is going to be corrupted. And there's another way to throw out a block, I think. I don't know how to do it. So it'll take some time for Casper to start, and we should give it some time.
I'm sorry, say that again, Jim, what you just said?
We have to give it time to get peers and get the approved block and all that stuff. And then we can deploy again with the correct deploy and see if the proposed still it works in that case. The one thing the other thing we wanted to check here was the hash of our node, 0.6.4, 442665. Okay, we want to make sure that that is correct. I mean, it's got to be correct. We got the file from the right place. But that's just one thing that we always need to test to make sure we're running the right version.
Do we want to, they're running their own Zoom meeting. We don't want to join their Zoom meeting, do we?
Their Zoom meeting starts at 10 o'clock. Or the,
I see. Okay.
I mean, they could be there early. But we can't record in their meeting.
Why not?
It's their Zoom for one thing.
Oh, I see. We can't record it. I got you.
Right. And those aren't recorded because
They're bashful.
yeah.
She said she sees deploy and propose working there. Did you deploy? You understand her message?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if I don't see us getting any peers.
Yeah, we never got a successful before.
Right. I was just wondering if our
So I'm going to answer her no.
I see deploy and propose working. Did you try deploy propose before you got that error?
Now what she's saying is, did we get a success?
We did a deploy, and then we got the error on the propose. We didn't get we never we could deploy but not propose.
Is that right? 2 S's and a successful propose?
Yeah, something like that. Okay, go back to the screen. So we should have some peers by now. I don't know why we don't have peers. Okay, just hit Control C and do up arrow up to the deploy. That one. Oh, where'd it go?
Is that it?
Deploy. No, not that one. Down. Down. There. That one. Yeah, we don't want to do it wrong. Hey, deploy.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, here we go. I'm going to hit enter now.
Yeah.
Error, Casper instance not available.
That's because we don't have any peers yet. I'm going to pause the recording and we're going to wait until we get peers.
You want to search on?
All right. Share your screen, Victor, and
I'll stop sharing.
oh yeah, that would help.
I'm going to take a break here.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So,
I don't see your screen yet.
okay, possibly, maybe when Gary is Gary, are you out of the screen sharing?
Yeah, he's out. When you have to
Okay.
say share screen, and then you have to say share screen again.
Okay, okay. Let me redo that. Oh, share screen. Um,
There you go. Okay, so you're. It looks like you're running in standalone mode.
okay.
Have you tried REPL or eval commands? Yeah. Can you open another terminal window?
So,
I can't hear you. Looks like it's gone here. Let's pause. Hey, Victor, hope you can hear us. Next step is to open another terminal window and experiment with the Rnode commands, the REPL, REPL, the eval.
hello, Jim. Yes, sir. Yeah.
You want to open another terminal window and try REPL or, yeah, try the Rnode REPL, REPL.
Hello, can you hear me? You said the next step is to open the terminal.
Yeah, we can't hear you, Victor. It's all broken up. Maybe we should, can you hear us? I mean, can you open another terminal window and REPL?
How to open the terminal?
Well, you can click on the top menu. What did you do here? You killed it? I think you just killed Rnode. So you want to run terminal. Hit terminal there. Click on terminal. Click on terminal.
Okay.
I guess we're losing them again. I can't. We can't see your terminal yet. I hope you can see it. There we go. Oh well.
around the time. Okay.
In what? Okay, so from the video team meeting, the current state doc. We have this video on running Rnode, and what we're trying to do is do a better one.
To help a lot because video is really useful. You get to see people doing it directly, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll watch it and then read some there. I think I saw some write-ups on the blog on how to run Rnode. So I will be doing that, watching out for it.
Yeah.
Okay,
and you watch the video. Well, I guess we didn't do a REPL, but we did a bunch of other commands in this video. So when we post this video, you watch the beginning of it. Gary and I are running Rnode commands on robot.net. And
okay.
And you know,
yeah.
we want everyone to know how to run, how to keep our community node running, our node.net. We can use that as a bootstrap for our others or whatever, you know. But you know, it's really for running on testnet when testnet is stable. All right,
Okay,
I'm going to take.
I think
now.
I want to take a break so that I could look into the video and then start practicing it. And maybe later when we have meeting, maybe sometime in the evening for my site, and then I will tell you how far I've gone. You know, I'm really excited.
Awesome.
I'm really excited. Yeah, thank you.
And put something in the notes. Please put something in the notes. That's it. You know, we have to have some kind of work product.
Okay, sure.
Take care. I will be back. Oops. What happened?
Okay, bye-bye.
Right, I'm going to exit now so the video will process. I'll be back.